Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95%. You can check out the analysis also. I have posted analysis video also guys. So we can see how the market will behave for Tuesday. Okay guys, right now it is continuously consolidating right now in Dow Jones. If it will breaks and take support somewhere here, our first target will be here guys, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, what we have to see is in downside also, if once again it take a resistance from here, our first target will be here guys, second target will be here somewhere, third target you can take here, this is your fourth target guys. Okay guys, if bigger gap up or gap down happen, so I will update you in the telegram channel. Go and check out my telegram channel also guys. I will give you that link in the description guys. Okay guys, now we can see the analysis of NASDAQ guys. You can see here it broken and taking exactly here only support. So right now what we have to see is that if it comes once again downside or something and takes support somewhere here, our first initial target will be this, second, okay guys, third and fourth guys. If any price action has been made, so you can take it for a upside momentum guys. Otherwise it comes downside and takes somewhere here only resistance, then our first target will be here guys, second target, this will be the our third target, and this will be the our fourth and final target. Okay guys, we can see for Russell 3000 exactly that only behave. You can check out the analysis video also, I have posted, so go and check out there, and also join my telegram channel if bigger gap down or gap up happened, so I will update there. Okay guys, our first target will be somewhere here only guys. Our first target will be here, second target and our third target only. Okay guys, if it taken once again a resistance somewhere here, for a somewhere here only taken resistance, our first initial target will be here guys, second initial target, this will be our third initial target, and this will be the our fourth and final target in Russell 3000. We can see for SPX also guys. In SPX also behave exactly that only what we have discussed, exactly taken resistance from there only. I will just shift it down. So okay guys, right now if it will take somewhere here came and broke this resistance area, then our first target will be here guys, second target, or third, fourth, and this will be the final fifth target. Okay guys, you have to book your profit at second target only for 70 to 80%. After that you can take your other 30 to 20% in third to fourth target guys. Okay guys, our first target will be here guys, second target will be here, third and final fourth target in downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next some stock is Tesla. Okay guys, in Tesla it has been broken right now and taking here somewhere supporting area. Okay guys, we have to do is that I will just shift this, or I will make fresh new. So if once again it takes somewhere here only supporting area, our first target or second target, our third, and this is final fourth target. Okay guys, you have to see that if open flat or something, it has to cross this high, after that only you have to buy. Okay guys, in upside momentum, if once again it came downside and take somewhere here only resistance, then you can go for your first target guys, second target. If this will break, then you can expect the bigger fall. Third target guys, this will be the your fourth target. Okay guys, we can see next stock is Microsoft. Okay guys, right now Microsoft has been taken exactly support. So if once again came downside, then it will easily reach our first target, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. In downside momentum also we can discuss is that if once again came downside, take resistance somewhere here, our first target, this will be the second, this will be the third and final fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see for next stock is Apple. Okay guys, in Apple it has been continuously in a consolidation phase only. If it will once again take here resistance, our first target will be here guys, second target, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, if it will broke, okay guys, this broke and take somewhere here support, then you can go for your first target guys, this will be second, third, and you can go for fourth target too. Okay guys, I will just shift this line. Okay guys, right now you can get it. So you can check out my previous analysis video also guys. There I have posted so many knowledgeable thing also, and how market has been behave, what we expected, exactly that happened only. So go and check out those guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. I am making so much effort for you guys. Please do like and share with your friends and families. Also I have share your forex and commodities also videos. Go and check out those also guys. You can get it. You can go and do back test also. If those are not enough, you can check my previous analysis video also, what I have told you in weekly, what forex and commodity gonna do. I will also explain what I have done and how I have executed all the trades, and where is my SL, where I have taken my profit. So go and check out those also. You definitely taken a very good knowledge from there guys. You become a best trader. So go and check out guys. Thank you guys.